Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be explaining on how to write a program for the discriminant in Python. So, the discriminant. We wanna start by importing math. Gonna request for input for a B and C in int. Now we wanna put the discriminant, which we're gonna symbol with D. So now we've done pretty much everything, and now we wanna start with if D equals 0, then we want to print result as text, and then we're gonna print the discriminant has only one answer. So the only answer is x, which is equal to parentheses minus b to parentheses 2 times a. We're gonna put another parenthesis here, or you can go with a 2 times. Here, yeah. And we're gonna print x. The else if, which is elif D is greater than 0, then we're gonna print result, which the result is gonna be the discriminant has 2 answers, x1 and x2. So, in order to have x1 and x2, which will be the 2 answers, we have x1 of x2. So we're gonna print x1 is gonna be print x1, and print x2 is gonna be print x2. So this is all about having d equals 0 and d greater than 0. Then else gonna print the discriminant is below 0, and we're gonna print there are no answers for less greater than 0 is the correct form. A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 1. Result will be the discriminant has only one answer because the discriminant is equal to 0. And our result will be -1 because minus b to 2 times a is going to be -1. So a 10, b 33, and c 3. So the discriminant here has two answers because it's greater than 0. So x1 will be 15.450003 and x2 will be -81.45. And here's the two answers. And if a equals 2, b equals 2, and c equals 2, the discriminant will be less greater than 0. And there will be no answers for less greater than 0. So this is how to make the discriminant as easy as possible for you to understand. See you guys next time.